Welcome to the winter wonderland of Boston. Isn't it beautiful though? I mean, come on, guys. Isn't the beautiful snow in Boston? This is like Boston. Come on, dude. This is great, right? Nobody on the road. Trees are beautiful. We got the snowplow ready to throw salt in my car and rust it up. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you. Welcome to the beautiful Boston. Look at this. Look at this intersection. Look at this shit. Yep. The person, going super fast around the rotary then sees me and stops the egotistical driving of everyone in Boston. Like, I have to be first, but I'm going to go slow. Like, what? Like, what?